Meaning of hotfoot.
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 Hotfoot. The term hotfoot is an idiomatic expression that refers to the act of moving quickly or with haste. The phrase has its roots in the early 20th century and may have originated from the idea of someone having hot feet due to the excitement or urgency of a situation. Today, hotfoot can be used in various contexts to describe someone who is moving quickly or with great urgency. It can also refer to the act of rushing or hurrying to complete a task or reach a destination. Overall, the term hotfoot conveys a sense of speed, urgency, and intensity.